Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal digital kit that I've made, and this one is Easter themed. It's in a traveller's notebooks size again, like the what's it called, the wildflower kit that I done. This one is a big kit. The other one I'd separated into two. This one is all in one. There is 24 pages with this, so you will get your journal pages, background pages, pockets, tags and other ephemera, which you will see in a minute. So I will have this listed over on my coffee shop, and you will be able to find the link for that below in the description box. So yeah, go and take a peek at that. So I'm just going to show you quickly the pages. So we have this page here, and you see some of them have got bunnies on them. How cute are they? Oh, so cute. Bunnies here, like jumping around. And then we have this one, which is just, it's like that but without the bunnies. There's a couple of pages that are like without the bunnies, if you know what I mean. We have this one, and we have this one here, and this one, and here you've got like the eggs on there, and this one, and this one. Here is your background pages. There's just like faint things in the background, so it's kind of just drew some images to the back of that, like dissolved it into the back. So you have them. Then you have got 2 pages of oval tags, and bunnies, and then some flowers. How cute are them bunnies? Then we've got, I think it's 4 pages of tags. We get this one, and this one, then this one here, and then this one. Then we have the postcards with the bunnies on there, and then we've got some journal cards as well with bunnies on them. Then you've got 4 pockets with the bunnies on there, and then you've got 4 pockets. Did I say 4 bunnies? Like 4 pockets with bunnies on. And then we've got these pockets that you could decorate yourself. And then here is just 6 little tags that you could decorate doing other things with. Is that it? Yep, that is it. So that is the kit. This is, like I said, it's 24 pages, so it's quite a big kit. It is for me. It's for me. So like I said, the link will be below. You can go and check that out. I'm just gonna pile all these up again. So it will probably be about a week or so before I get to play around with this, because I've got I'm working on some other things, but I'm looking forward to playing around with this as well. And I want to thank everyone who bought the wildflower kit. Like truly thankful for that. And yeah, so there we go. So that is my new little kit. So links will be below. If you have any questions, ask in not the description box, in the comments section below, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.